If you are new to Brisk Teaching, Brisk is an AI-powered teaching assistant in the form of a Chrome extension. When you have it installed, it will show up as an icon in the lower right-hand corner. And with Brisk, you can do multiple things. First off, you can use the Create button. And with the Create button, you can create dynamic lesson plans, engaging quizzes for students, all in really just seconds. There's many things listed that you can create. We've got things like rubrics, syllabus, again, lesson plans. You can make presentation slides. And there is also a wonderful new podcast feature. So many, many things you can create, all based around your content. And then if the thing that you're looking to create isn't shown, you have this Create Anything button. And from there, you'll be able to put in a prompt and ask it for anything that you like. In addition to creating materials, you can also use the feedback feature. And Brisk will generate targeted and meaningful feedback on student writing assignments and student work. It's really an amazing feature to get you started with really, really positive and, again, very meaningful feedback that you can use for students. And before you provide the feedback, you can obviously change it, tweak it, and see if you agree with that feedback. There's also a wonderful inspect writing tool, which lets you really look at the student writing process and monitor how long it took them, how many times they pasted text, and did they potentially use AI in the creation of their work. There's also a wonderful change level feature, which lets you change the level of the text. So if your students are at a different reading level than the material that you have, you can adjust that, as well as adjusting the language. There are over 50 different languages supported that you can use. And lastly, here you'll see a boost student activity, which is a great way to create an interactive student activity, which gets the students using the AI chatbot with their specific activity, and it really lets them have the interaction. So it kind of gives them a little taste of using AI. So this is just kind of a quick overview of some of the features that we will be diving into further.